Are you struggling with fear, hesitation, or overconfidence when trading Forex? You're not alone. The truth is, most traders fail not because of bad strategies, but because of a weak mindset. Today, I'm going to show you how to master your emotions, build discipline, and trade with confidence. Let's dive in. Successful Forex trading isn't just about strategy, it's about psychology. Even if you have the perfect trading system, emotions can destroy your profits. Fear makes you exit too soon, greed makes you hold too long, and FOMO, fear of missing out, pushes you into bad trades. Sound familiar? 1. Fear, the profit killer. You see a trade in profit, but instead of letting it run, you panic and close it too early. Later, you check the charts and realize you could have made way more. Sound familiar? This is fear in action. 2. Greed, the account destroyer. Greed makes you believe the market will move in your favor forever. But guess what? It doesn't. The market takes back what it gives if you don't secure your profits. 3. FOMO, the impulse trap. You see a huge candle moving up and you instantly enter the trade. Then, boom, the market reverses and stops you out. That's FOMO. It tricks you into thinking you're missing an opportunity, but in reality, you're just jumping in too late. So, how do you develop the mindset of a professional trader? Here are 3 simple steps. Step 1. Follow a trading plan. Having a plan removes emotions from trading. Write down your entry and exit rules, your risk per trade, and your overall strategy. If a trade doesn't fit the plan, don't take it. Step 2. Train your emotional discipline. After every trade, write down what you felt. Were you anxious? Overconfident? This helps you spot emotional patterns and improve over time. Step 3. Use the 3-second rule. Before you enter any trade, take a deep breath and ask, is this in my plan? If the answer is no, step away. This simple trick saves you from emotional trades. Mindset is the real key to Forex success. If you train your mind, you'll trade with confidence and control. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest struggle in trading psychology? Let's talk about it. See you in the next video.